Hey everyone, Rav here and welcome back to the Hue Report, your weekly roundup of the latest in 3D printing, material and maker innovation, with a touch of design, creativity along the way. This week we're exploring how 3D printing is reshaping homes, machines and even the moon itself. From Europe's largest printing housing project to compact metal printers, all in one maker tool that push creativity to new frontiers. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's dive into what's making headlines in the 3D printing world this week. According to PBC Today, Europe's largest 3D printing housing project has reached a major milestone. The development, located in Holstebro, Denmark, now includes 6 fully printed buildings covering a total area of 1,654 square meters. Each building contains 6 apartments between 40 to 60 square meters. What makes this project remarkable isn't just its scale, it's the material innovation behind it. The 3D printed walls are made from defab concrete using Future CEM, a low carbon cement developed by Aalborg, Portland. This reduces CO2 emissions by up to 30% compared with traditional cement, making a major step forward towards a sustainable construction. The result? Housing that's faster to build, more resource efficient and significant more eco-friendly. What do you think? Will 3D printing become the norm for affordable, sustainable homes? The team at Makera has unveiled the Z1, a hybrid CNC milling laser and engraving system that's quickly becoming a favorite among makers. Unlike 3D printers, which build objects layer by layer, the Z1 takes the opposite approach, cutting, carving and engraving directly into materials like wood, aluminium and acrylic. It's built for creators who value high precision and finished quality, offering tool-free head change, a rigid steel frame and compatible with a wide range of materials. The rise of machines like the Z1 shows how lines between digital fabrication tools are blurring. 3D printer builds a CNC sculpt, and together that gives makers a complete creative toolkit. Would you combine 3D printing and CNC in your setup, or keep them separate for different projects? Crest Robotics Project Charlotte is aiming sky high. Literally, the UK-based startup has revealed details about its autonomous construction project designed to 3D print structures on the moon using Lunar regolith. Charlotte IAC-2, their prototype rover, features a modular printing arm capable of operating in zero atmosphere and extreme temperatures. The vision? A fleet of autonomous construction bots capable of laying foundation of lunar habitats and power infrastructure. It's not science fiction, it's early glimpse of off-world construction. Could 3D printing be the first step in making humans a multi-planetary species? Did you know the first 3D print ever made in space was a ratchet wrench? It was printed aboard the International Space Station in 2014 using design files transmitted from Earth, proving that with a 3D printer in orbit, you don't always need a rocket full of spares. Remote manufacturing? Literally out of this world. And that wraps up this week's Hue Report, your dose of what's shaping the future of 3D printing and maker innovation. If you enjoyed the stories, hit the like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know which heading grabbed you the most. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep creating, and remember, even when the machines do the printing, it's your imagination that brings the ideas to life.